Welcome. In this video, we're going to see how to record Zoom meetings directly on your laptop. Firstly, once Zoom meeting has started, just click the record button at the bottom of the screen. Choose record on this computer and when prompt appears, this will begin the recording the meeting and save it locally to your device. After your meeting ends, Zoom will automatically start converting the recording to an MP4 format. Just be patient, the time takes depends on the length of your meeting. To locate your Zoom recording, open Zoom and click on the settings icon. Go to the Recordings tab and here you will see your default recording location, and you can even change it if you want Zoom to save future recordings elsewhere. And that's it, guys. Now, every Zoom recording creates a new folder that contains 3 files. The one you're looking for is an MP4 file, usually named like Zoom 0 MP4. And that's it, guys. You've successfully recorded a Zoom meeting and saved it to your computer. If this tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos.